Hi, welcome to Juli Tutorial. To get started, click the Sign In button to proceed to our sign up page. Here, you can either sign in using your Google account or manually sign up with your email address and password. After signing in, hit the dashboard button. Let's start with Juli AI. Enter your preferred assistant name and your company name, then click Create AI. Next, you'll be directed to the Juli AI setup page. Here, you can upload your company's profile picture. Craft a welcoming message, select your AI's main language, and choose a personality that aligns with your company profile. Don't forget to hit Save when you're done. Now let's add your company's information. Click Add Knowledge and input details such as company overview, opening hours, or any other relevant information. Our AI will automatically learn and incorporate this into its knowledge base. Click Add after inputting your information. On the preview, you can immediately test the AI and see if it matches your information. Once you're satisfied with the Juli AI setup, navigate to Juli Page. Here, you can set your page name, company link for your customized URL, upload a profile picture, and add your company's tagline. Customize the colors and choose the styling to match your brand aesthetic. Want to include social media icons or other links? Set them up under Social Links and Other Links, respectively. This is where you can showcase your website, e-commerce platform, or your preferred links. Don't forget to hit Save when you're done. Click Preview to see your Juli AI and Juli Page. Lastly, your dashboard is your hub for all conversations between your AI and customers. Track and see your interactions effortlessly. And that's a wrap for our tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. See you next time.